Well guys, today we're using the Abu Garcia MAX X light spinning reel with a Shakespeare micro series 5'6" light action rod, and we're slinging a Beetle spin it's actually a customized Beetle spin with a gold perforated blade, size 2, a 1/8 ounce jig head, and a live minnow. I jerk so hard, Chuck, I'll break the line off. I need to tighten the drag. A little bass. Yeah, I will tighten the drag. It's a new reel, I ain't got it set yet. That's 2 bites right there. Ooh. Yep, he liked the Beetle spin in the minnow. But he's a little guy. Later.